Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Useful Health Kit official channel. I'm very happy to accompany you on your daily healthcare journey. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video with others, and leave a comment below so I can hear your thoughts. Today, we'll talk about 5 calcium-rich vegetables you should eat regularly. Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. A lack of calcium can lead to osteoporosis, bone fractures, and various dental problems. Getting enough calcium every day helps keep the body healthy, especially for children and older adults. Calcium-rich leafy vegetables such as spinach and broccoli are natural, safe, and easily absorbed sources of calcium. Adding them to your daily meals not only boosts your calcium intake, but also provides many important vitamins and minerals. Many people believe that drinking milk is the only way to strengthen bones, but in reality, nature offers many vegetables that contain abundant calcium, sometimes comparable to or even more than cow's milk. Calcium isn't only in your morning glass of milk, it's also in dishes like boiled greens, amaranth soup, and crunchy steamed broccoli. Vegetables provide calcium in a natural, easily absorbed form and cause less calcium loss than diets high in salt or meat. That's why today, Lynn will explore with you the top 5 vegetables highest in calcium, which you should eat more often to keep your bones strong, your teeth healthy, and your body flexible. Calcium makes up about 1 to 2% of total body weight, with 99% stored in the bones and teeth. Besides building the skeletal structure, calcium helps maintain a steady heartbeat, transmit nerve signals, support muscle contraction, and assist in blood clotting. Because the body cannot produce calcium on its own, we must get it from our daily diet. In addition to milk, seafood, and nuts, green vegetables are a valuable plant-based source of calcium, low in calories, high in fiber, and great for digestion. One of the richest vegetable sources of calcium is spinach. In 100 grams of spinach, there are about 99 milligrams of calcium, along with vitamin K, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. Vitamin K helps calcium bind more effectively to bones. Dishes like spinach soup with dried shrimp or spinach salad with olive oil are excellent for bone health. A helpful tip is to blanch spinach briefly to reduce oxalates, compounds that can interfere with calcium absorption. Next is broccoli, often called the king of green vegetables. In 100 grams of broccoli, there are about 47 milligrams of calcium, with an absorption rate of more than 60%, even higher than cow's milk. Broccoli is also rich in vitamins C and K, which help strengthen immunity and reduce inflammation. It's best to steam or boil broccoli for only 3 to 5 minutes to preserve its nutrients. Third, we have cabbage, a familiar vegetable that surprisingly contains about 45 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. Cabbage is rich in vitamins C and K and fiber, and it contains sulforaphane, an antioxidant that protects bone cells. Dishes like boiled cabbage, cabbage soup with ground pork, or pickled cabbage are all nutritious options. Pairing cabbage with dried shrimp or roasted sesame seeds can increase calcium absorption. Another wonderful food is okra. In 100 grams of okra, there are about 85 milligrams of calcium, along with magnesium and vitamin C. The mucilage, a natural gel, in okra helps support digestion and enhances mineral absorption. Simple dishes like boiled okra with ginger dipping sauce or grilled okra are great for bone health. Finally, amaranth greens, which contain even more calcium than milk, about 250 milligrams per 100 grams. Amaranth is also rich in iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamins A and C. Amaranth soup with dried shrimp or boiled amaranth served with eggs are simple yet highly nutritious dishes. To improve calcium absorption, avoid overcooking vegetables because calcium can be lost in the cooking water. Prioritize steaming or quick stir-frying with a little cooking oil to help absorb vitamins K and A better. Combining vegetables with vitamin C-rich foods like lemon, tomatoes, or bell peppers will also boost calcium absorption. In addition, several habits help keep calcium in the body longer, such as reducing salt intake, limiting coffee and carbonated drinks, doing light exercise daily, getting enough sleep, and exposing your skin to sunlight for about 15 minutes in the morning to synthesize vitamin D, which helps transport calcium into the bones. In the midst of busy life, good health doesn't always come from expensive things. It often comes from simple meals like a plate of boiled greens, a bowl of hot amaranth soup, or a serving of steamed broccoli. Calcium not only nourishes your bones, but also supports your overall well-being and strengthens your body day by day. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below to motivate me to create more helpful videos. Wishing everyone good health and happiness every day.